It's taken a year of negotiations to get police ready to implement Clare's law in Saskatchewan. Starting Monday, women at risk would be able to ask for sensitive information about a partner's violent past, or police could volunteer it. But now the RCMP, which serve most of rural Saskatchewan, are refusing to do so.
I'm extremely disappointed to hear that the RCMP will not be participating.
Joanne Duzel represents all the women's shelters in Saskatchewan. She says under Clare's law, RCMP in rural or remote communities could warn women who enter a relationship with a serial offender.
And now the RCMP are not in a position to warn them. That is definitely problematic.
Saskatchewan RCMP issued a lengthy statement assuring that domestic violence is not a private affair, but it must consider how best it can support Clare's law objectives within its obligations under the Federal Privacy Act.
We were caught off guard that they went ahead with this a week ago and said, no, we're not participating.
Saskatchewan's Justice Minister sent a letter to Ottawa expressing disappointment and frustration.
I wish they would have raised it a year ago when we started to engage with the RCMP.
This researcher says privacy concerns are often stumbling blocks to helping victims.
And getting different bits of agencies to share information with one another.
It is only a person at risk of harm from an individual who would ever have any access to sensitive information. So I really don't understand this decision by the RCMP.
It's not clear what the privacy issue is or how it could be resolved. But what is clear is that this won't just affect Saskatchewan. Several other provinces the RCMP serves are also poised to roll out Clare's law. Bonnie Allen, CBC News, Regina.